Hello everyone, this is Antej Kalada from Kalada Academy. Today in this lecture we will be discussing about how you can create a time slot booking form on your website. So a time slot booking form would be used, it has applications in various scenarios. For example, if you're building a website for a doctor, you need to build a booking form where patients can book a time slot with the doctor. And another example would be if you're building a website for an astrologer, maybe you have a form where his customers can book a time slot with him. So these are some applications of this time slot booking form. So in the end, our form would come kind of like this. If you want, you can make it look more aesthetic. I am just using a simple WordPress theme for this tutorial. If you want, you can use Element or Divi to create some beautiful websites. But for this particular website, I'll just go with a simple WordPress theme. So first of all, to get a form like this, you need to have a plugin called Appointment Booking installed on your WordPress site. For that, just go to plugins and here under add new, search for appointment and you will see this plugin. I'll also give a link to this particular plugin under this video. So this is the plugin. You need to activate it first. So just install it and make it activated. So once it is installed, you'll see a small tab like this here, Appointment Booking. And here you will already have a form created for you. Like every time once you install it, a default form will be created for you. But for now, maybe I'll create a new calendar and I'll show it to you how it works. So we'll write it as Academy Video. And I'll just click on add new. Now it will ask me what are the fields that I want to add here. So we have a name field, we have an email field, then we have an appointment field also. So if I want to delete any field, all I need to do is just click on it and here there is a delete button. Now there is an email field. If I want to delete that, just click on that. And if I want to add anything here, all I need to do is just here, see here, single line. If I click it, a kind of field like this comes up. So just drag it to the top. So maybe I'll make it as name. So I'll just click that particular tab and see all the details of that opens here. So field name, here it is untitled. I'll just change it into first name. And of course, the first name should be compulsory. So I'll make it required. And if I want to increase the font size, I can make it increase. But for now, I'll just keep it as medium. And again, if you have restrictions like number of minimum characters or maximum characters, or if you want to give some predefined value here, you can give that. And if you want to give some instructions to the user, you can give it here as well. See here. Please type your first name here. See, if you give here under instructions for user, it would come at this particular area. But for now, I don't need that. So we have a first name. Now we need to add an email column. And the email column is here and I'll make that required as well. And now I need a column to accept the phone number as well. Unfortunately, in the free version of this plugin, the font field won't work. So what you can do is just click on this single line and name this particular field as column. See here. Once I click here, this options opens up, that is field settings opens up. So I'll give it as mobile number. Again, I'll make it as a required and minimum characters. I'll just mention it as 10. And yeah, that's it. And I'll just now let me see if I need to add anything else. See here, this particular tab is known as a appointment tab. So for the time being, I'll delete the existing thing. So I'll just delete this and let's add a new appointment. See guys, this is how your form is going to look. And again, here, if you want to make some change, if you want to give a heading or something, just go to this form settings and whatever is the heading you can give. So for now, I'll just type dentist consultation. your slot with your favorite dentist. And I guess that is okay. Now we need to add an appointment column. So I'll just click on the appointment and see here the appointment column is here. Now let's start editing. So I'll just click on the appointment column and see here. The first one, label name is appointment. Now we have this thing, service. So here is the service. If I want, I can delete the service, but at least one service is a must. So what I'll do is here under service, I'll just write dentist consultation and I'll add only that option. And for now, the price you can ignore for the time being, because in the free version, you won't be able to charge your customers anything. Okay. If you just want to mention the price somewhere, I'll show you how you can do that. For now, I'll just put the price as 1,000. And again, like how much is your normal booking time? Like how much time do you give to a client on a normal basis? For example, if it is a normal consultation, most normal consultations, it would be kind of like 30 minutes. So I'll keep it as 30 minutes. And there's something known as padding time before and after. That is, see here. As of now, when I just click 30 minutes, the time slots are 8, 8:30, then 9, 9:30. That is, you don't have a break in between. As long as the first meeting is over, again, you have to repeatedly take the second meeting without taking a break. So if you want a break like after every meeting, so what I will do is like after every meeting, I'll keep a 10-minute break for myself. Now see how the time slots have changed here. 8:10, then again 8:40, and again 9:10, and it's like that. And again, after the meeting, if you need some time, this is how you can do it. Okay, so for now, I'll just ignore all these things because I am not going to take any breaks. Okay, so I'll just ignore all these things. And here you have an option called generate time slots automatically based on service duration. Yes, you can keep it on. Show you slots, I don't normally recommend keeping it on. And make user choose a service. If you want the user to choose a service before making the booking, then tick this option. And if you want to add more services, just click this one. As of now, I don't want to add any other service, so I am not adding that. And again, if you go down, you have an option here, open hours. If you're open every day, you can keep it like this. Otherwise, what you can do is see Mondays. Let's say that Mondays you are available morning from, let's say 9 o'clock till 11 o'clock. So we'll put that particular time here. So I'll just write 11. Perfect. Then for Tuesdays, see here. This is for Monday. And here for Tuesday, I'll just put maybe again from Tuesdays, let's say that I'll start the work only on 10 o'clock. And the duration might be till 2 o'clock. 10 to 2 I might do. And if these are the only days I am working, I can put it like this. See here. Working dates you can adjust here. If I am working only on Mondays and Tuesdays, what I can do is I'll just deselect the other dates so that my customers can make bookings only on Mondays and Tuesdays. And all these options, you can just leave it as it is. And again, if you want to show some instructions here, you can type here. I'll just write a sample instruction here. Once you make a booking, you will receive an email from our team with the payment link. Please complete the payment in 24 hours to confirm your slots. Perfect. So I'm just showing a small option here. And I guess that's basically all the settings you need to know here. So make sure that you click on save changes and continue editing. And that's in the editor. Now go to general settings. And under general settings, you have an option to give a thank you page. So what's the main benefit of using a thank you page? For example, if you're running ads from Facebook for this, you can create a thank you page That is, after each time user makes a successful booking, he will be redirected to the thank you page. And if you are using tracking, you can put your tracking code, pixel code and everything in the thank you page. So I will create a thank you page now. So I'll just go to page. And here we have two forms, I guess. I'll just create a new page. Thank you. Thank you for your. You will receive a call from our team in 24 hours time. And that's it. I'll just publish that. And let me just view the page to make sure that it is working. Okay, perfect. It's working. So I'll just copy this, go back, and we'll go to our booking and see here. Academy video. This is something we have created. So I'll just rename it as maybe dentist consultation. I think that's a good name. Dentist consultation. And I'll rename it. And after that, I'll go to edit again and I'll give my thank you page here. See here under general settings, I have an option here to give my thank you page. And most of the other options you can just leave it as it is. And see here you have a payment integration option and all here, but as of now it is not available in the free version of this plugin. If you want to use payment option and all, you need to go with the commercial version. But in fact, I'll show you a simple hack using which you can integrate payment also in this method. So what you can do is, whenever someone makes a successful booking, you can send him an email with your payment link. So first of all, I have given the thank you page here. I'll save it. And yeah, that is done. And now let us go to notification emails. So send emails from fixed email address indicated below. Always select this option. And whatever, like, see here, whatever emails you are putting it here, see, whenever a customer makes a booking on your website, you need to get an email about the confirmation, right? So that email would come from this particular email ID. So if your domain name is kallada.me, then that means that this particular email, this from email, should be also in this domain. See here, so this bookings at kallada.me, this email does not exist. But even then I can use it here. So I'll just show you how it works. See here. Once I made a booking, I will get a confirmation email like this from bookings at kallada.me. That is, from whatever email I am giving here, I'll get an email from that particular email address about the confirmation. And all your customers also would be getting the email from this particular ID. So even if you haven't created an email ID, that is perfectly okay. So you can give whatever name is it at the rate of your website name.com. In my case, the website name is kallada.me. So I have put it here. So I have put it bookings as well. Now maybe if I want, I can change it into reservations. So let's just change it into reservations to see how it works. So I just put reserve. As of now, I don't have an email created like this, but you can just put any email here. Only concern here is that the email should end with your domain name. And that same email, you need to use it here as well. Now email notification to website administrator. So whatever is the email you are going to get when someone makes a successful booking. The following booking has been received, and this will be the email subject. This is the email to the website administrator. Now email copy to the user or customer. Your appointment is received. We look forward to seeing you then. Maybe if you want to add a payment information or something, you can do it like this. Your appointment is confirmed. Please make a payment of ₹1,000 using the link below. And here you can put your payment link. And I guess that's everything. And now you have an option called anti-spam. That is like, whenever someone is submitting a form, do you want to ask the users like to complete a captcha like this? Like, it's not really compulsory. You can keep it as no. And reports, if you want, you can enable it. Anyway, you are going to get an email with all this booking data. And whatever email to which you need this reports, you can give it here. And email subject also you can give here. As of now, I'll just disable. And I'll save and return. And please note that whenever you create a form, you need to publish it. Like, one option is you can publish it, or otherwise you can just copy this particular code and paste it in any page you want. So that's up to you, whatever method you are going to choose. So in my case, let's copy this shortcode. I think that would be more general. So again, I'll go to all pages and I'll create a new page. Dentist consultation. Then here under text, I'll just paste this and I'll publish this, and let's see how it is going to appear. And I'll open it in a new tab. Now see here, it has opened up a very nice form like this. Dentist consultation, your name, your email, mobile phone, and your appointment details. So see here, everything is if I want to book for 27th, and let's say I need to book at 9:30, I can just select that. So whatever you're clicking here, it will appear here. I'll just cancel all these things. And let's choose today. I'll just choose something on this particular day, 30th, and let me book a time slot at 11:30. So for November 30th, I am booking a time slot at 11:30. And I'll give my name here. calendar.com, and again my phone number also I'll give here. So that's it. And see, I given the time here and all the details are visible. I'll just click on submit. And once you click on submit, see here, it has redirected me to the thank you page. And in normal cases, as a customer, you should have received an email. See here, I have received an email from reservations@kalada.me. Confirmation, your booking has been received. Your appointment is received. Please make a payment of 1,000 using this link below. And see here, this is the payment. Like, whatever is the payment link, you can insert it here. And all the details would be visible here. And if you want to see the bookings that you have received and all you want to do is just, anyway, you will have received an email, like whatever is the email registered with your WordPress site, you will get an email there. Otherwise, if at all by any chance that is not working, what you can do is just go to this plugin, Appointment Hour Booking, click on it and select your calendar. See, dentist consultation. I have a calendar called dentist consultation, and click on booking orders. And all the detail would be written here. So this is basically how you integrate a time slot based booking form in your WordPress website. If you have any doubts, please do let me know in the comment section below. Thank you.